Did you know there are vegetables you can plant in November that practically thrive in cooler weather? If you think your garden season is over, think again. In Zone 8, this is prime time to get some hardy crops growing. Let's dive into the surprising veggies you can still grow and enjoy all winter long. Hey, fellow gardeners!
Welcome back to the channel.
If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for weekly gardening tips and tricks. Today, I'm sharing the best vegetables you can still plant this November if you're in Zone 8. You might be surprised by what's still possible in your garden this late in the year. Before we jump in, just a quick note: Zone 8 typically has mild winters, which means the soil stays warm enough for some crops to keep growing. Let's take advantage of that and keep your garden producing.
1. Carrots.
First up, carrots. These root veggies absolutely love cooler weather. In fact, a little frost actually makes them taste sweeter. Just make sure your soil is loose and well drained. Plant them in rows, keep them well watered, and you'll be pulling up fresh, crisp carrots all winter long. 2. Kale. Next is Kale. This superfood is a cold weather champion. Kale thrives in chillier temperatures and is even known to taste better after a frost. If you plant Kale now, you'll have plenty of nutrient-packed leaves to harvest well into the colder months. Plus, it's so easy to grow.
3. Garlic.
Garlic is another must-plant in November. Trust me, if you haven't grown garlic before, now's the time to start. Plant your garlic cloves with the pointy end up, about 2 inches deep. They'll rest through winter and start growing in spring, ready to give you a harvest by next summer. 4. Spinach. Spinach is a quick-growing leafy green that loves the cold. The trick with spinach is to plant it in well-drained soil and give it partial sunlight. You can start harvesting leaves in just a few weeks, and it'll keep growing even after light frosts. Fresh spinach salads all winter? Yes, please. 5. Broccoli. Another great choice is broccoli. You might think it's too late, but Zone 8 is perfect for planting broccoli in the fall. The cooler temps help it produce tightly packed heads, and you can start harvesting in early spring if you plant now. Just remember to give your broccoli a little space to grow. 6. Onions. Onions are also a solid option for November planting.
Pick up some onion sets and plant them in well-prepared soil.
They'll take root over the winter and be ready to mature as soon as spring hits. And trust me, nothing beats fresh, homegrown onions in your recipes. Let's do a quick recap of what you can still plant in Zone 8 in November: carrots, kale, garlic, spinach, broccoli, and onions. Each of these veggies is hardy, resilient, and can handle a little frost, which makes them perfect for a November garden. So if you thought gardening season was over, it's not. Give these vegetables a try, and let me know in the comments which ones you'll be planting this month. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more gardening tips. Let's keep those gardens growing. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. See you in the next video.